Okay, so good evening, uh, Sir Sir Manaseh, Cristobal, and this is my interview for you to answer the business ethics.
Okay.
Okay, and here is the first question. When did you start your business?
I started Mapple Air Conditioning Services at 2018, December 2018.
Thank you for your answers. Uh, and the second question po is, why did you decide to become a business owner?
I decided to be a business owner or to engage in business because employment, since we know employment, sabi nga nila, may stay ka lang dyan. Pero kapag may negosyo ka, you can expand. Sa
Mm,
pag in-expand mo yung business mo, unang-una, time management, hawak mo, and then you can grow. Yan. Yung growth, yung adjustment ng growth mo,
mm,
malawak. Pwede mo
mm,
siya palawakin sa iba't ibang anggulo ng mga services.
mm. Thank you. Thank you very much for the answer again. Uh, the third question po is, how many employees does your company have?
The Mapple Air Conditioning Services have 8 employees.
Mm,
And we have also four on call technicians.
mm,
So if we total that, I have 10
mm,
10 to 12 technicians.
mm. Great to hear. Uh, next question, what services or products do you offer?
We offer Maple Air Conditioning Services offers air conditioning from split type to industrial type, air condition, water cooled, chill type, split
Mm,
type, and 3TR, ceiling suspended, window types, and all air conditioning needs, repair, cleaning, maintenance, we do that.
mm. So, overall, lahat-lahat na.
Yes.
Thank you po. Uh, how do you advertise your business?
Usually, I believe in advertising. I don't usually advertise on web, but we have a web page. We have also on Facebook that you can search Mapple Air Conditioning, and I believe in the most advertise advertisement that is very unique is through the spread of mouth. And usually our clients introduce us to other clients. That's what happening.
Mm,
That's why some people said, bakit konti yung nakikita naming advertisement ni Mapple as compared sa ibang air conditioning services.
mm,
Pero sa amin, hindi naman kami nauubusan ng kliyente kasi yung mga client namin, they marketize us
mm.
because of the quality of job and work that they receive on us.
Galing. Galing. Okay po. So, next question is, what made you choose your company's location?
Location, actually, I don't also believe on your location must be on well area or what you
Mm,
call is yung maraming tao na area, sabi nila, para ma-market.
mm.
Actually,
Substance.
marketing of our company through location, actually, because the first location of Mapple Air Conditioning is at BF Resort.
Mm,
And now it's transferred here at Camellia 3C, Las Piñas. But through, like I said lately, through the spread of mouth,
mm.
yan, doon. Yun yung pinaka-form namin. Kaya kahit hindi maganda yung lugar, ang ano namin doon is kilala ka dahil sa gawa mo. Makikilala ka kahit tago ang location.
Mm.
It's just a matter of marketing, like spread of mouth, parang networking. Yan.
Networking siya.
Your services talks.
Mm, mm, mm. So, next question po is, What is your management style?
My management style. When it comes to management style, uh, even though I am the boss, nasama ako. Sabi nga nila,
Mm.
nasama ako. I do the leadership style
Mm.
and on managing my business.
Ganun.
Because I don't want my employees or my technician to do their job as because they are afraid of me. They do their job because they love their job. They are equipped and they are well communicated with their boss. That's the maybe that's the edge of Mapple air conditioning because in some air conditioning services, you cannot see the boss doing the job. And you cannot see the
Mm.
boss going on site.
That's true. Sige. Next po, what motivates your work?
What's motivate
What motivates your work po?
your work?
Mm.
Usually, the results motivates us. All the team of Mapple Air Conditioning is motivated because we dedicated on what we done, what we do in air conditioning services. We provide smile on our clients. That's why after nung services namin, yung mga feedback nila, yun yung na mismong nakaka-motivate sa amin.
Mm. That's very true. This one is next one is what are our main competitors? If there are.
Main competitors, napakarami. Kung bibilangin mo, lampas mga 80, 100. Kasi kung ini-nationwide mo, marami. Sa NCR pa lang, ang daming services. But, the legal ones, medyo pili mo yan. As mga accredited ones, pili rin yan. So, marami kasing mga nagbi-business pero pa ng air conditioning services na competitor namin kasi mga well-known technician na sila pero wala silang title or wala silang papers or legal documents na which is yun yung nagiging competitor namin kasi they can lower their prices beyond the SRP, beyond the pricing range that we're doing in the market.
Sige. Thank you very much for the answer. And here is our last question, which is what challenges are they facing?
Challenges, we consider the challenges kagaya sa mga competitor namin na ayun, SRP price pero baba sila ng SRP price. So yun yung nagiging challenge sa amin na hindi naman namin pwedeng babaan yung price namin to meet the price of other services because we believe we must give what they pay off. Paano yun? Kasi yung binibigay namin, for example, sa copper tubing, merong China, merong Malaysia. So, we do and we give the quality parts, not just the quality service. Because you cannot do or say that your service is quality if your product and materials that you use is not quality.
Yeah, that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching this video.